Dr. Bird, I almost had a full-blown blitzkrieg today.
James!
Do you know what set off the panic attack this time? As Dr. Freud said, we are never so defenseless against suffering as when we love.
I am James Whitman. I am light. I am truth. I am might. I am youth.
Hey!
1 month ago today, my sister Jory disappeared.
Please don't bring up your sister's name at the table.
What? I said don't.
I know it's probably a really confusing time for you.
I need to find Jory. But how?
He's talking to the TV now.
You need a partner for this search.
This is a quest for knowledge. Knowledge often comes with a price.
Everybody cheats and everybody leaves.
Everything is in your head.
Don't go crazy.
Swallow it all down.
Stop saying that!
Nothing looks to me as it did before.
Will you still come with me to find her?
Oh my God!
Jory?
James!
Will love always be this painful?
My advice is to just be
Did you say just be and then cool, or just be
cool, James.
right?